with temperatures in the 60s. Overnight, it's going to be cool. We'll stay clear at first, and then toward daybreak, we'll see some low-level moisture overspread the area. Some low gray clouds could develop or should develop, and there could be a little patch of mist or drizzle, particularly up toward the Arklatex. Otherwise, we'll start to see mostly cloudy skies overspread the area from south to the north throughout the night. Temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s. We'll get rid of any type of low cloud and mist or drizzle that we have early in the day, thanks to breezy southwest winds tomorrow, and the temperature is going to take off into the 70s. So at the bus stop tomorrow, that air is going to feel a little clammy, so maybe a sweatshirt, 55 degrees. Recess breezy, and it's short sleeves weather. Headed home, 74 and sunny. Let's take a look at future skycast. This is what I'm talking about. These little patches here are showing up, and as we look, the air typically gets colder the higher up you go in the atmosphere. Tomorrow morning, there might be just a little warmer layer above that traps in some of the clouds and moisture, and so because of that, we can have just that little bit of mist out there. By noon or the afternoon, did you see that? We're up to 74, 75 degrees. Southerly winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. And then overnight into Wednesday, it stays breezy. In fact, at times Wednesday, the winds could gust close to 40 miles an hour. They'll be out of the southwest with temperatures close to 60 degrees Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon, we're back into the 70s. You might have seen just a little passing shower coming by. And then a frontal boundary comes in, and there might be one or two stronger thunderstorms, particularly down to the south here, just ahead of this front. Winds turn to the west, northwest behind the front. Once again, this front comes at us from the Pacific Northwest and not the Arctic. So it cools us down, but we don't get extraordinarily cold behind the front. And then those thunderstorms sweep off. They're gone by 6 a.m. A few clouds are with us Thursday, but the day overall is cooler, but certainly not cold. It's where it should be, in the upper 50s. Amounts of precipitation are in the hundredths of an inch, except down toward Groveton over toward San Augustine. Maybe you get closer to an inch of rain there. And right now, Storm Prediction Center does have us outlooked for a marginal risk of severe weather. Likely after midnight, might be midnight 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning as those isolated thunderstorms sweep through here. So maybe some strong wind gusts similar to what we saw Saturday night, or maybe some quarter-sized hail. Allergy index today, cedar pollen back in the moderate range, mold spores in the low range today. All right, tonight, clear to partly cloudy here early. South winds 5 to 10. Clouds late and some misty areas develop as we drop to 51. Sunrise is tomorrow at 7:23, but could be obscured by the cloud cover. And then tomorrow, we're going to get rid of the morning gray and back to sunshine, breezy, warm. Look at that high, 75. Wow. Supposed to be about 57 this time of the year. Gusty south winds Wednesday up to 77. Pre-dawn chance for a thunderstorm Thursday, then it's cooler, 58. Seasonably cool Friday around 60. Frosty morning Saturday down to 34, back to 64 Saturday afternoon. Mostly cloudy on Sunday up to 68. Rain and thunder in the forecast next Monday. Right now the potential looks too low for severe weather, but some things could change as we get closer to Monday, so we'll keep an eye on that.